On a bright day, amidst the hustle and bustle of the global aerospace industry, groundbreaking news emerged from the East. The Chinese aerospace company, C.A.S. Space, had just made history in the realm of spaceflight. Amidst grand ambitions and technological innovations, C.A.S. Space successfully demonstrated the vertical landing of a small reusable rocket prototype. This was not merely a technical achievement, but a significant leap forward, heralding a brighter future for space exploration. With great enthusiasm, the engineers and scientists at C.A.S. Space watched as the 93-kilogram prototype rocket ascended to an altitude of about 1 kilometer. After reaching its peak, the rocket descended at a controlled speed and landed precisely on a floating platform. This prototype was powered by 2 engines, including a turbojet that mimicked a variable thrust liquid rocket engine used for vertical landing. In the final landing phase, the prototype's speed was less than 2 meters per second, with a landing accuracy within 10 meters. The entire test lasted 10 minutes, creating an exhilarating moment for all involved. The success of this flight and landing test marked a milestone for the aerospace industry, as similar vertical landing technology will be used by C.A.S. Space in the development of larger launch vehicles in the future. Currently, the company is in the final assembly and testing phase of its second solid-propellant rocket, Litjian 1, scheduled for launch in May this year. Meanwhile, the Litjian 1 rocket successfully launched 6 satellites into orbit last July. Furthermore, C.A.S. Space is building a 40-hectare assembly complex in Guangzhou. This complex will be used for the production of the Litjian series carrier rockets, including reusable liquid-fueled rockets. During a presentation on January 10th this year, a lightweight solid-propellant rocket was showcased, expected to form the basis for reusable carrier rockets. Additionally, C.A.S. Space anticipates that its rockets will be chosen as backup rockets for transporting cargo to the Chinese space station. In the long-term plan, the largest and most powerful rocket planned by the company is a 50-meter-tall heavy-lift rocket named C.A.S. This rocket will be capable of launching up to 14 tons into a 500-kilometer sun-synchronous orbit in an expendable configuration, or up to 10.3 tons of payload in a configuration with a reusable first stage and 2 side boosters. The first launch of this rocket is planned for 2026. The successive achievements by C.A.S. Space not only signify extraordinary technological advancements, but also reinforce China's position as a major player in the global aerospace industry. With continuous innovations and grand ambitions for the future, C.A.S. Space is poised to elevate space exploration to new heights. For the world, this accomplishment serves as a reminder that with determination, innovation, and hard work, the sky is no longer the limit, but rather the beginning of a broader adventure in the universe.